This guide will walk you through using Address Validator. This application is designed to validate the address as residential or commercial. It supports user to input address directly or provide Wise DN with facility. In this video, we will take two examples for each query type. One is success case for input address and another is failure for DN. Enter the address into question, which you want to validate. Click Query, then select Input Address Type from the drop-down options. Click on Run button, asking the agent to analyze the address. The application will feed back the result based on the workflow predefined. Above the result, it displays the all blocks with runtime and status for this execution. Clear the input information so that we can test another scenario. Enter facility and Wise DN. The prompt includes word facility will help improve the accuracy of search results. Click Query, then select Wise DN type. Enter the username of your Wise account. We set the authentication failure as the example, so we skip password. Generally, password is required. Click Run button to retrieve the result. The agent output the result. As we didn't fill password, it returns authorization required error and prompt us to complete required information. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Address Validator.